Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a double treble crochet. Now that is in US terminology, so jumping straight in, I've already whipped up this little base here that I'm going to show you how to do the stitch with, and let's get on with it. So to start your new row of double trebles, the first thing we're going to do is chain 4. This is one of the tallest stitches that you can do, and it works up really easily. So all we're going to do is we're going to wrap the yarn around our hook once, twice, and then 3 times. So I've got 4 loops on my hook. I'm going to insert my hook into the next stitch, pull it through, and then I'm going to pull the yarn through 2 stitches at a time. So there's the first, the second, the third, and the last one. And there's my first double treble. So again, we're going to wrap the yarn around our hook 1, 2, 3 times, insert the hook into the next stitch, and then pull through all of these 2 at a time. Like so. And one last time, wrap around once, twice, 3 times, insert the hook and pull through. There we go, that's how you make a double treble crochet. If you're starting in the round with this stitch, your first bunch of stitches will be the chain 4 out of the magic circle, and then working as many as you need. If you're making it in the flat and starting with double trebles, chain however many you need for your base, and then add 4 more chains, and then slip stitch into the 4th chain from the hook, just so you get this first foundation stitch, which brings the yarn up to the correct height for you to be able to make these double trebles. So as you can see, the height of the singles and then the height of the double trebles. So there we go, that's how you create a double treble in US terminology. I really hope that this video has helped you learn a new stitch, and don't forget to subscribe for more so you don't miss any of my future free patterns and tips and tricks. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.